Sometimes I need Alice to connect to some external service like Google Drive or Dropbox to operate with files. As of now, there is not so many file formats supported by Alice, but what you can do is you can move those files to, for example, Dropbox or Google Drive, and I do it quite often. So let me show you what I mean by just asking Alice to tell a joke about herself. And now I'm going to take this joke, and I'd like to use a specific a snippet that I have. This is text-to-speech snippet. And I need to put this text into the snippet and just send it. So what Alice will do now is she'll contact the API of 11 Labs, and she'll take this text and try to read it with 11 Labs voice that I have defined in my scenario. Later on, she'll create the file, and here is the name of the file. And this file automatically appeared here on my computer because this folder is connected to Dropbox. So now I can listen to the voiceover of this specific joke.
Sure thing, Greg. Here goes. Why don't AI assistants ever play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you're connected to the internet.
Okay, so here we have it, and the snippet is pretty straightforward as usual. So let's search for 11 Labs snippet and text to speech, this one. And this is like super simple. It just gets the entire message that I'm sending and sends it out to a webhook that's defined here. So this webhook is then taking the information, again, very, very simple, putting it into 11 Labs, sending to Dropbox, and you can use Google Drive, you can use Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, I don't know, whatever you want. And then it sends the response. And the response is just the URL of the file that it passes to Alice. So I can pass the whole URL, or I can pass just the name of the file like I did. It's fairly straightforward. So this is how easy it is to first create voiceovers and use 11 Labs API, which is pretty cool. And also how to move files between clouds so that we can save them and store locally as well. So that's it for now. See you in the next one.